If you're just starting your espresso journey, the grinder is the upgrade that makes everything else click. Today, we're counting down 5 beginner-friendly picks that make dialing in faster and more consistent. If something catches your eye, you'll find the model names and links in the description. In 5th place, we have the Baratza Encore ESP. Re-engineered for espresso, it keeps the durable 40mm conical burrs but adds a dual range adjustment. Settings 1 to 20 are micro-stepped for fine espresso work, while 21 to 40 cover coarser brews. That split makes it an easy daily driver for a new home barista who wants to pull shots in the morning and switch to pour-over later. In testing, it delivered shots that could rival pricier machines and still excelled at drip, and the straightforward workflow helps. Twist the hopper to adjust, then pulse grounds straight into the included dosing cup. Maintenance is equally approachable thanks to a quick-release burr that pops out without extra tools, and long-term support is backed by a brand known for reliability. As a bonus, it carries strong user ratings that reflect its popularity. The trade-off is that it's a no-frills design, simple controls, and fewer extras, yet that simplicity is exactly what many beginners appreciate when they're learning to hit target shot times consistently. Coming in at number 4 is the Rancilio Rocky. A classic recommendation for first-time espresso enthusiasts, it pairs 50mm commercial-grade flat burrs with a heavy-duty, quiet direct-drive motor inside a mostly stainless body that feels built to last. With 55 numbered settings that combine macro and micro steps, it's easy to click toward the sweet spot and reproduce the same grind later, handy when you're alternating between beans or cleaning the burrs. The Rocky's consistency at the fine end of the range is a big reason it's remained a trusted baseline grinder for decades, and owners often point to long service life and low vibration as everyday perks. You can choose a doserless chute for fresh-to-cup grinding or a classic doser model, and the straightforward on-off workflow suits anyone who prefers mechanical simplicity over screens. The main limitation is that it's stepped rather than stepless, so ultra-granular tweaks, especially with very light roasts, can take a bit of clicking around. If you want a tough, no-nonsense workhorse with proven results, the Rocky makes an easy case for itself. At number 3, you'll find the Turin DF64 II, the value flatbird choice that's won over beginners and tinkerers alike. This single-dose design uses 64mm flat burrs to produce fluffy, clump-free grounds with near-zero retention, thanks to a redesigned chamber and bellows that puff out the last particles. That uniformity translates to sweet, balanced shots with cafe-style clarity. Adjustment is stepless for truly fine control, and the 90+ marked indicators give helpful visual references as you move across espresso to brew settings. Day-to-day, the grind path is smoothed by an anti-popcorning hopper and a built-in anti-static reducing ionizer, so beans feed steadily and grounds don't cling. It ships with a metal dosing cup sized for a 58mm portafilter, and as your skills grow, you can even swap in aftermarket burrs to experiment with flavor profiles. The small catch for newcomers is the single dosing workflow. You'll weigh beans for each shot instead of filling a hopper. Many find that routine simple, and it maximizes freshness and repeatability, but it's a different rhythm than set-and-forget grinders. If you're value-minded and curious to refine your espresso, the DF64 II brings prosumer-style performance within easy reach. Taking the second spot is the Eureka Mignon Specialita, a premium pick that blends quiet operation with micro-precision. Handmade in Italy, it tucks 55mm flat burrs and a 260-watt motor into a compact, sound-insulated case that runs far quieter than typical grinders, making it ideal for early mornings. The stepless micrometric adjustment dial lets you fine-tune in tiny increments to nail both shot timing and flavor, while a responsive touch display handles programmable single and double doses or continuous grinding. The internal design is smart for maintenance too. Adjustment references the bottom burr, so you can remove the top burr for cleaning without losing your setting. In the chute, Eureka's ACE anti-clumping system helps produce fluffy, evenly distributed grounds that settle nicely in the portafilter. The result is a refined workflow that beginners can grow into for years. The main quibble noted by users is clearance. If you use a tall dosing ring, the portafilter fork can feel tight, though you can grind into the included cup or remove the fork to work around it. If you want a buy-it-for-life experience with whisper-quiet performance, the Specialita stands out. And finally, at number 1, the Baratza Sette 270Y. Designed explicitly for espresso, it combines 40mm steel burrs with a unique straight-through grind path that drops grounds directly into your portafilter with virtually zero retention. It's exceptionally fast, on the order of a few grams per second, and its hallmark feature for beginners is precision dosing by weight. The integrated Akaya scale auto-tears and grinds exactly to your programmed dose. 3 programmable buttons make it easy to repeat recipes, while a dual-stage macro and micro system yields 270 total settings for almost stepless control as you chase perfect shot times. The holder is convertible, so you can work hands-free into a portafilter or use the included bin, and the burr assembly pops out without tools for quick cleaning. Owners consistently praise the combination of speed, consistency, and how straightforward it is to dial in compared with older step grinders. The one caveat is noise. The high-speed motor can sound like a blender, but most users find the performance and dosing accuracy worth that trade-off. If your goal is to shorten the learning curve with pro-level repeatability, the Sette 270Y is a natural top pick. To recap, the Encore ESP offers approachable, espresso-ready simplicity. The Rocky brings durable, time-tested consistency. The DF64 II delivers value flat burr performance with near zero retention. The Specialita adds premium quiet and micro precision. And the Sette 270Y crowns the list with fast, weight-based dosing and ultra-fine control. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next guide. You'll find everything mentioned here collected in the description, so feel free to explore the links when you're ready.